Hello, and welcome to Someka Smart Goal Analysis Template. This tool mainly lets decision givers and individuals to evaluate their businesses or personal life by setting the effective goals based on the facts discovered in the analysis. All you have to do is set the goal and type in the relevant information for each section. Set a goal that is specific enough to be accomplished. Instead of saying, I want to work in a good company, you might be a little specific, like, I want to work at a small entrepreneurial tech company in Izmir. For measurable, the unit used to indicate when your goal is achieved. So instead of saying, I will go on some interviews very soon, you might say, I want to go on at least 4 interviews in the next month. For attainable, goals you know you'll reach. So instead of saying, I will get a job by the end of the week, because you can't say it, it is out of reason. So you might say, I will get a job within 1-2 months. This is more reasonable. For relevant, you have to check, are your goals aligned with the rest of your life, personal and financial goals? So instead of saying, I want to read all of the articles and blogs and subject on the IT field and how it's developed over the past 8 years. And for time bound, your deadline, is it realistic, or you have to know how long this goal is going to take. So instead of saying, I will get hired, you have to say, so once you're done with SMART, all you have to do is write in your SMART goal. So craft a new goal statement based on the conclusion you got from your analysis. The questions and tips next to each section will help you on your analysis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.